it was needed. Gleaming black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead in the eye of time. Nobody's losing.
We love a fresh face when you wake up. I just made my iced coffee. Well, I didn't just make it, I made it like 20 minutes ago. And I made an omelet. It looks so good and it tastes amazing. I made it like the Japanese way, so it has like layers, and then I just put chopped onions and salsa on it. Don't you love having onion breath mixed with coffee breath? Because I do. I'm totally kidding. I'm totally kidding. I hate it, but it's the prices you pay to have good food and drinks. Okay, hi, welcome back to today's vlog. It is December 1st. I'm hoping I can get this video up tonight. If not, this will be posted on December 2nd. I couldn't pre-film, so I'm kind of late starting on the bandwagon of Vlogmas now. But I will explain later why I am not doing Vlogmas. Stay tuned for that. This is just a little daily vlog. I go to work in a little bit and I'm just chilling. I'm about to do my makeup and hair, so I look a little more presentable today. And I have so many videos to film today. I have 3 videos I need to film today, and I really need to edit them tonight. I need to go upload this vlog when I get out of work so I can have it posted tonight. Let's pray that I actually get it done. Also, my very, you guys, my huge project that I've been working on is starting to come along, and I'm so excited because I can't believe it's actually finally happening. I'm getting closer to it every single day. I have a lot of work to do on my iPad to get it started. I need to do a whole new thumbnail, page layout. I need to make all new photos. I gotta take photos to look more presentable. A lot of stuff. Things are coming along, you guys, and I'm so excited, and I'm really nervous because I have no clue what to do. I'm doing it all by myself, financing this all by myself on my little short, my small income, part-time income, which is not a lot, but things are coming along and I'm so excited. Yeah, so I'm gonna do my makeup and my hair and change my clothes so I look a little more presentable, and then we're gonna make a list of what I need to do today. So yeah, welcome to Vlogmas-ish on my channel. Okay guys, this is a little chat. Get ready with me now that I'm getting ready. It is noon. Oh my gosh, I have to work. So I need to, oh my gosh, I really need to wash my hair today. It's going on day 3 of not washing, and she's a hot mess. I had my hair in braids like I always do. So she's looking a hot mess. Okay, so did I tell you yesterday, November 29th, we had our new windows put in? You guys, they are so expensive. Who in the right mind makes these prices? Literally all of our savings is basically gone because we had to buy new windows, which sucks. Hopefully we can be out of the house by next year and sell this house for a pretty good deal because this house needed new windows. I know I've mentioned it in a few vlogs, but I'll just talk about it again. I have this real bad issue with, I'm such a light sleeper. And on top of that, with my anxiety and depression, I can't sleep at all anyway. So it takes me like 2 hours to go to sleep, to finally, like, or my brain to finally stop talking and go to sleep. And on top of that, we live so close to the highway. The highway is right in our backyard. Literally, I'll show you guys again. I can do a little pony today. And there's the highway behind the trees. Behind the trees. I'll do an arrow so you can see. So, of course, when I am sleeping, all I can hear is semis driving past and all that. And it is just very loud. And it just irritates me because I can't fall asleep. And since the windows in this house are so old, these windows are just so old, and it was bad. I could hear the highway so loud, like it was 2 steps away. Like that's how loud the highway was for me. But now, since we finally got windows put in, I slept so good yesterday, and it's just really nice. it is really nice to have good windows. You can't really hear the highway now. Of course you can still hear a little bit, but I'm telling you, like our hallway windows, you could hear the highway so loud, and I would put towels under my door, on top of my door, and close it like just to get rid of the sound, and it was just bad. So now I don't have to do that, and I am just really happy. I'm really happy that I don't hear the highway anymore. The noise went down to like 10%. To a 10% out of 100, so that's really great. I need to change my clothes. So now I'm going to do I really need to fix my eyebrows. I can't do it while I'm on camera, honestly. I'm putting a moisturizer on. I should have done this first, but I just didn't. I hope that I have a good work day today. Yesterday, we ended our session early, so this next paycheck is not going to be good, which is pretty sad because I did buy 2 things Black Friday, and of course they're still so expensive, and I just have so much more to buy for my project that I'm working on. I'm so close to my goal of $1,000 savings for my Florida trip. You guys, I'm so close, like $300 close. It's crazy to see that. I'm just going to do a light mascara. I'm going to also film a new winter everyday look. I just clipped my eye, if you couldn't tell. Yeah, and try some new makeup. Try a new makeup look and wear all winter. I really like this mascara. This is the Maybelline Colossal, but it's starting to get really like what is it called? Ugh, I forgot what the word is. I think it's drying out. Is that the word? Maybe. Because my lashes are starting to stick together and it's getting droopy. So I think this might actually be done soon, which is really good because I have like 3 more mascaras waiting. I really went on a mascara buy like 2 months ago and bought like 2 mascaras, even though I didn't need any. It hurt this eye. Ow. Yeah, so I'm almost done with this. Do you guys remember when I bought the Marvel packaging one? So I have another backup, and then I have a CoverGirl Clean Mascara backup, and I have a Bambi's Eyes Mascara backup, and I have a Milk Makeup Mascara backup that I need to try. I might try this next before this Marvel one. Tell me you like Marvel without telling me you like Marvel. I bought a freaking mascara just because of the, like, what? Who does that? Me. I do that. So this is gonna be next on my list. Why am I talking about mascara? I don't know. But yeah, this is about done. It's literally drying up on the top. I also want to get a concealer. The concealer that I have is too dark already. This is supposed to be my summer shade, and I should have wore it in the summer, but I didn't. So I need to find a new one to wear. I need to clean up this makeup drawer, actually. Let me just do a little bit of blush. I haven't worn blush in a few days just because we've been home. Ooh, this is a little too orange. Oh, that's okay. You guys get that mess up? Like, the first cheek you do of makeup is always the worst, and then the second one is like the best, because that's me every time. Perfect. I'm not gonna wear bronzer today just because I don't feel like putting more makeup on. Okay, so this is going to be just my makeup look today, just blush and mascara. I wanted to show you my nails because I have used this nail polish for the first time ever, and it's by Loud Lacquer, and this is in Away Game. This is in a package that's like a high school package. I think it was like 1975 or something, but look how beautiful. It's a brick red brown. I love it. I used, oh no, it's already coming off. No, I gotta redo this hand. I did these nails last night, so that's really sad. I need to do a clear layer on top, but I wanted to do a brick red, like fall color, all fall, and I didn't do much of that, so I guess I'm just making it up, doing it here during winter. I need to go change now and brush my teeth, and we'll see what I'm gonna do next. Okay guys, so I am back in my filming room, our guest room slash my little office in the corner. So I will explain to you why I won't be doing Vlogmas. Yeah, so Obviously, last year during quarantine, I was able to do Vlogmas every single day because I didn't have a job and filming videos makes me happy. It's my favorite hobby, so it was easy for me to just film every single day and go upload every single day. But also living in an area where we don't get internet, which is really weird. The place we live at is so rural that we get satellite internet and it sucks really bad, you guys. Like, so I purchased internet all last year and it was horrible. It was the worst thing ever. I wasted so much money having that internet, but I did it because I wanted to have internet so I didn't have to go into town to a Starbucks or Big B or Panera just to upload my video. It was not good. Like, our TV would not work, any of our streaming devices would not work on the internet, so we finally canceled that. Now we officially have no internet at our house and I watch Netflix and Hulu by connecting my phone hotspot to our TV, and that's how we are able to watch Netflix and Hulu and all that, all the streaming devices on our television. Pretty annoying, but I do pay my own phone bill for unlimited data, which helps a great ton. Hopefully our plan is to move out of this house by next year. It would be so amazing so we can find a place in an area that I can get internet. That is the goal. But I will not be doing Vlogmas this year because I work a part-time job, and when I come home I am just so tired and exhausted and I just don't want to pick up a camera and fake happiness, you know? Also, I live in an area where my life is pretty boring. I don't live in New York or Florida or LA where there's things to do all the time. Here in my little YouTube space, I talk about a lot, where I live in Michigan, we are trying to live frugally. We don't make a lot of money, so we are trying to save money as best as we can. Spending money is, of course, that's so fun to spend money, but then when you get the bills, it's like, I gotta pay it now. It sucks. And with my income and my partner's income, we just can't be doing that. So yeah, basically I'm not going to be doing Vlogmas every single day. I'm going to try to post every 2 days if I can. It's basically my normal schedule. I try to post every 2 days or twice a week just to keep up with everything because I really like doing that. And I always have something fun going on at least once a week or every weekend. But yeah, there's going to be regular vlogs that are like 2 days or 3 day vlogs, and then there's going to be just regular sit down videos where I talk about the books that I'm reading, a beauty video, basically my normal content. So that's why I won't be doing Vlogmas. I really wish I could, but my life is pretty boring. I go to work and I come home and that's it. So yeah, that's why I won't be doing a Vlogmas. I wish I could, but I live a boring life. I'm a normal person. We don't have the luxury of going out every single day like Brooke Michio and Danielle Caroline. So, okay. So the books I've been reading the Black Dagger Brotherhood book. I'm still on the book about Butch. No, it's book 4. So this is book 3, which was Zadist. I love his book. I love that. So I'm on book 4, which is about Butch. I don't really like it. Like, I've literally skimmed through this whole book. I'm almost done. I'm on page 378, 83% done, and I don't know. I'm gonna try to finish it. I don't want to DNF this book because it was $8, so I need to finish it. But I don't like it. I do want to buy the whole collection though when I finish all the books. This one is just not as good as everyone was saying it was, so there's that. So I'm gonna read this, try to get some of this book read. I haven't read this book in like 2 days. That tells you how uninteresting this book is. But I do want to, I'm also reading book 4 of the Happy Marriage manga. So I want to finish this one too. I'm almost done. I'm literally just past halfway. So I'm gonna take this downstairs also and finish that. Someone asked for me to do a Kindle update, so I will film one of those. That's a good idea. Just talk about my Kindle. How do I like it? Things I don't like about it, etc. That's a good one. I might film that this weekend. Yeah, I'm just gonna go downstairs, read these 2 books, and I will update you guys later. Hopefully before I go to work. If not, I'll update you guys when I get back from work.